Hi all, in this video, we will continue our topic 2 manufacturing costs. Let's see subtopic 2.6 and 2.7. What is meant by direct cost and indirect cost? Okay, direct cost, it means cost that can be tracked to the cost object. The keyword here is cost object. What is meant by cost object? It means costing that we can calculate accurately. Example, direct material and direct labor. We can calculate accurately how much usage of DML and DL. Example, for this end product measure or table, this table, we know that how many raw material that we need to incur to our product. We know that how many labor that include in doing our product. But for certain thing that we cannot track the cost object, which mean by indirect cost. Indirect cost is something that we cannot track the cost object. Example, all the manufacturing overhead and non-manufacturing overhead operation expenses. Example, for the end product like table, we have difficulty to identify how much utility fee that we need to incur on it. We can't define how much utility fee, electricity fee, rental fee that incur for that product. If compared to direct material and direct labor, we can easily track the cost object, but for manufacturing overhead and all operation expenses, we have difficult to track the cost object. I hope at the end of this topic, you can understand what is meant by direct cost and indirect cost. Thank you.